Your grip is almost always the first thing to give out on a heavy deadlift, and that's frustrating when your back still has more in the tank. To fix this, I bought the top 5 rated lifting straps and tested them on my heaviest pull days. I wanted to see which ones actually bite into the bar and which ones just slip. Here is what I found. Product number 1, Iron Bull Strength Lifting Straps. When I first wrapped these around the bar, I immediately noticed the extra length. At 24 inches, they are longer than your standard strap, which is a huge plus if you're using thick axle bars or just like to get an extra loop for security. The cotton blend feels stiff at first, but after one session, it broke in nicely without fraying. The neoprene padding on the wrist is decent. It kept the strap from cutting off my circulation during heavy rack pulls. I really liked that I could get a locked-in feeling because of that extra material. Plus, Iron Bull offers a lifetime guarantee, so if you manage to rip these, they replace them. If you're looking for a strap that accommodates bigger bars and offers maximum security for heavy powerlifting, these are a solid place to start. Product number 2, SKDK Cotton Hard Pull Wrist Lifting Straps. Moving on to the SKDK straps, the texture here is totally different. When I grabbed these, I felt the anti-skid silicone strips running along the strap immediately. On smooth chrome bars, regular cotton can sometimes slide a bit, but that silicone really bites down and creates friction. In practice, the grip was fantastic. I didn't have to squeeze the bar as hard to keep it from rolling. However, because of the silicone, getting them untangled or adjusting them on the fly takes a second longer. If you lift at a gym with slippery bars or you just want that extra sticky assurance so the weight doesn't roll out of your hands, this is the pair to grab. Product number 3, Gym Reapers Lifting Wrist Straps. Then I tried the Gym Reapers straps. These felt more like the classic no-nonsense gear you see pros wearing. They are 18 inches long, which is shorter than the Iron Bull pair. Honestly, I sometimes prefer this length because I don't have to spend 10 seconds wrapping the bar. One quick loop and I'm ready to pull. The cotton webbing is durable but soft enough that it didn't chafe my skin, and the neoprene padding sits right where it needs to. I used these for a high-volume back workout and they held up without slipping or stretching out. They don't have fancy silicone, but they just work. If you want a standard, reliable strap that is quick to set up and endorsed by world record holders, you really can't go wrong with these. They are simple, effective, and tough. Product number 4, RDX Lifting Straps. Next, I strapped on the RDX cotton straps. The first thing I noticed was the padding. It's 5mm thick, making it the cushioniest one on this list. When I was doing heavy shrugs, which usually destroys my wrists, these felt like pillows. The 100% cotton build feels very heavy-duty and the stitching looks industrial. They are also long, coming in at around 60 cm, 24 inches, similar to the Iron Bull ones. This gave me plenty of room to double wrap the bar. The width is about 4 cm, which felt substantial in my hand. The grip was solid, though they do absorb a lot of sweat since they are pure cotton. If comfort is your main priority and you're tired of cheap straps digging into your skin and leaving red marks, these RDX straps are definitely the most comfortable option I tested. Product number 5, Gym Reapers Weightlifting Wrist Wraps. Finally, I looked at another Gym Reapers product, but this one is different. It's actually a wrist wrap, not a lifting strap. While straps help you pull, these are essential for the pressing movements in powerlifting, like the bench press. When I put these on, the 18-inch length allowed me to cast my wrist perfectly straight. The thumb loop is thick and didn't feel like it was going to snap off. During my heavy bench sets, my wrists felt completely immobilized, which is exactly what you want to prevent injury. If you are getting into powerlifting, you need straps for your deadlift, but you absolutely need these wraps for your bench. They are competition-ready and built like a tank. So if you need massive grip for deadlifts, go with the longer Iron Bull or RDX straps, but don't forget those Gym Reapers wraps for your bench press days. I've put links to all of these in the description so you can check the current prices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.